In this video, I'll be using PDQ Deploy to package and deploy IrfanView. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find videos about my Windows Server setup, and there is also a video about my PDQ Deploy setup. And now I will begin this video by downloading IrfanView executable installation files, and for that I will use the link that I have here. That brings me to IrfanView homepage. Here I will be downloading the 64-bit version, so I will click on this button right here. Then I will go to my downloads folder and wait for the executable. And now I will right click on the executable, select copy, and then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have my Windows environment. And here I will be placing the executable in a network share that is accessible to my users and computers, and for that I will open File Explorer. Here I will enter my file server name, it's SRV02. And here I have this software share, I will go inside of it, and here I will create another folder. I will name the folder IrfanView. I will go inside of it, and I will place the executable here. And now I can start creating my package, and for that I will go to PDQ Deploy. I will right click on packages, select new package. I will name the package IrfanView. Then I will click on steps, install. Here we need to provide our executable file, so I will click on the button here. Then I will go to my file server once again, SRV02, software share, IrfanView folder, and select the executable that I have here. Also, we need to provide silent switches, and for that I will go back to my GitHub page because I have here the silent switches that I will be using. So I will click this button right here to copy all the values, go back to PDQ Deploy, and I will insert the values in this field right here. And that's all that we need to do for our package. And now I will click on save, and I will close this window. And now I will be deploying this package to a few of my clients. So I will click on the package here. Then I will click on deploy once. I will select my targets by clicking on choose targets, active directory, computers. Here I will select my client 01 and client 02. Then I will click on the button right here so that my targets appear here. Then I will click OK and deploy now. And now I need to wait a bit. And the deployment is over. We can see that it was successful for both of my clients. But I will double check by going to my client 01 that I have here. As you can see, we have IrfanView desktop shortcut right here. I will double click on it, and it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.